This video is about setting the time and date on your Casio A168 watch. In timekeeping mode, press the mode button 3 times to start the time setting mode. Now, press start button to reset the second. Press like button to select the hour setting mode and use start button to adjust it. The minute settings can be selected by pressing the like button and adjust it using start button. Similarly, select the month setting by pressing like button and use start button to adjust it. Press like button to set the date and press start button to adjust the date. Now, press like button to select the day of the week setting and adjust it using start button. Once the settings are the way you want, press mode button to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, you can switch the time display format between 12-hour and 24-hour. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe G-Shock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.